What if I told you that 2025's biggest crypto event could put free dollars straight into your wallet, no strings attached? Yes, you heard that right. Binance, the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, is launching its most anticipated event of the year, the Binance Megadrop 2025. This is your chance to claim free airdrops, grow your crypto portfolio, and step into the future of digital finance, all for free. So, stick around as we unpack everything you need to know about this massive giveaway and how you can be part of it. The Binance Megadrop 2025 is not just another crypto promotion, it's a groundbreaking opportunity for anyone in the crypto community, from beginners to seasoned traders. Binance is celebrating its global success by giving back to its users in a big way. Imagine receiving free crypto assets in your Binance wallet, ready to trade, hold, or reinvest. This is your chance to maximize your earnings without spending a dime. What is the Binance Megadrop 2025? At its core, the Binance Megadrop is an exclusive event designed to reward loyal Binance users and welcome newcomers to the platform. The airdrop includes free dollars, crypto bonuses, and additional rewards for those who actively participate. Whether you're already a Binance user or planning to join, this event is tailored to benefit everyone. It's not just about giving away free crypto. It's about creating financial opportunities for millions of users worldwide. How to participate in the Binance Megadrop? Participating is easier than you might think. First, you need to have a verified Binance account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is quick, secure, and completely free. Once you've logged in, navigate to the promotions section or check your notifications to find details about the Megadrop. Claiming your free airdrop may be as simple as clicking a button or completing a small task like staking a token or making a trade. Binance makes it straightforward and accessible for all users to take part. For those new to Binance, completing your Know Your Customer (KYC) verification is essential. It ensures that your account is secure and eligible for the rewards. Think of it as a one-time step to unlock endless opportunities on the Binance platform. Maximize your rewards now. Let's talk strategy. If you want to make the most of the Binance Megadrop, there are a few tips to keep in mind. First, stay updated by checking your email and Binance notifications regularly. Exclusive offers often pop up during these events. Second, refer your friends to Binance. Not only do they get to enjoy the benefits of the platform, but you also earn referral bonuses that add to your overall rewards. Finally, consider engaging in additional Binance activities like staking or trading. These small actions could unlock even greater rewards during the Megadrop. Why this event matters? The Binance Megadrop isn't just about free crypto. It's about the larger vision of democratizing finance. Events like this highlight how accessible cryptocurrency has become and the endless possibilities it offers to individuals around the globe. By participating, you're not only boosting your financial portfolio, but also becoming part of a movement that's reshaping the future of money. Final thoughts, sir. What are you waiting for? The Binance Megadrop 2025 is your chance to join millions of others in claiming free dollars and crypto rewards. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this event is too good to miss. Head to the description below, follow the links to sign up or log in, and claim your airdrop today. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another opportunity like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video as we continue to bring you the best of crypto, blockchain, and digital finance.